We are chilling. Because we can't make loud videos anymore.
Yeah.
I'm getting cut off the screen.
Yes,
there we
you
go.
are. There we go.
Alright.
So, I'm getting cut off the screen now.
This will be an autobiography, I guess. Or just,
Oh.
yeah. Oh god, we're watching the Terminator 2, by the way. It's very
Different.
It's not different, it's just a good movie.
I've never seen it before.
Yeah, I know. He's never seen any, except for like part of the first one. And that's really stupid. Oh god. There we go. Moving my laptop. There we go. Get your head in.
Oh, there we go.
So yeah. Chilling. Put that away.
That's a preview of our next video.
Yeah.
We're gonna be
This
posting
here,
that
this is
tomorrow,
This is a hint. It'll
And-
be up by tomorrow.
and you will.
I promise you
And
that.
we're not gonna know. You have no clue what's gonna go on.
Yeah.
It's gonna be very different.
Basically, all the videos from this channel will be us two making fun of videos.
Yeah.
Yeah. Except for this one, it's kind of it's that. Oh god, hold on, I just got a Skype message. Make more. Oh, we are making. See, I'm telling my friend about the videos that we've been making lately, and hold on. Middle of
Video.
one.
You are on the air.
Yeah. You are on the you're on it. Alright,
Aw,
so yeah.
I got cut off of that.
So yeah. Francesca, I'm doing a shout out for you. So
He has DirecTV.
yeah, DirecTV.
I don't like
Free
it.
advertisement.
I don't like DirecTV. Comcast is better.
I actually have to admit to that. Yeah. This is for all those people who, I don't know.
People that just like to chill.
Yeah, chill. I'm gonna go get some ice. You can take over there.
Chill.
Damn.
Hold on, Princess Mission again.
I actually got some ice.
Cool, I like chicken pot pie. What? She's the most weirdest girl ever.
Alright, hold that ice. Alright, we're going to make one directly after this. So, hold on. Hold your horses. Yeah. We'll be making one right after this. Goodbye.